This honey glazed salmon recipe is super easy to make with a few simple ingredients. Honey, soy sauce, butter, garlic paste, salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, red pepper flakes, and some cilantro flakes. And of course, the salmon fillet. Let's start this thing off by making our honey glaze. And we're gonna let this cook down for maybe 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat and continue to stir it. Now we're gonna season our fish nice and even so we can make sure the flavor is all over. Now it's time to add our glaze to the salmon. I'm gonna take a brush and try to spread the glaze evenly on top of the seasonings so the seasonings can be sealed inside while it's cooking. Now that our salmon is nicely coated with the honey glaze, we're gonna throw it in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 minutes. Voila. Nice honey glaze. Not too thick. Nice little thin coating, full of flavor.